Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You should start by checking your current DNS settings and noting your router model and OS. Once done, open your router admin page or network settings on your device. Make sure to record the existing IPs so you can revert. Now test baseline latency with a simple ping to 8 and resolve a domain with ENS-lookup or DIG to measure lookup time. These steps give you metrics to compare new servers. They also prevent surprises when you change settings confidently. Next, pick candidate DNS providers. Include at least one public, for example, one privacy-focused, and a third low-latency regional option. Then configure your device network adapter or router. Enter primary and secondary DNS IPs, save, and restart the interface. Once restarted, run repeated lookup tests with time measurements from multiple sites, use browser cache clearing between tests, and log results in a simple spreadsheet. This systematic approach reveals real-world performance differences versus advertised speeds and highlights stability. Finally, choose the best DNS by weighing latency, privacy, and consistency. Apply the selected pair to both router and critical devices so the whole network benefits. Make sure to monitor for 24-72 hours, checking intermittent failures and page load variants. If problems occur, revert to the saved original IPs, reboot modem and router, flush DNS caches on clients, and test again. If issues persist, enable provider logs or switch back temporarily. This troubleshooting chain isolates configuration errors from ISP or upstream resolution problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.